Library. I hope you all enjoyed our first stay-at-home story time, but if you missed it, don't worry, we got you covered. So we've actually already uploaded that video onto our website at covinaca.gov/library, and we'll continue to post all of our videos on there. So if you missed our live stream, don't worry, we're going to be archiving them on there so you can check it out whenever you have the time. So for today, I'm going to show you how to make the craft, which is this little guy. And the link to the craft template is in the description of the YouTube video. So make sure you look at the description after you watch that video so you can download your templates, because you're going to need these to make the craft. And there's also instructions on how to make it, and there's also the book buddy that goes with the story time too. So make sure you go get all that good stuff. Alright, so let's get started. Alright, so after you've downloaded your templates, there's a couple of ways that you can do the next part. So you can either cut out the shape and then trace it onto construction paper. If you don't have construction paper, you can just print out the shapes and then color them in, which I recommend because that buys more time. So you might want to do that. The only thing that I would say if you do that, make sure when you're coloring in your shapes, you color on the opposite side. That way you don't have like tooth on your shape or like scale, because that's just gonna look uggo on your alligator. So don't do that. So make sure you're coloring the back side as far as the shapes go. Okay, so we've gone over that. So now after you've colored in everything or you've got it on your construction paper, you're gonna cut everything out. I already have everything cut and ready to go for you here, so we can start building our gator friend. Alright, so we're gonna start with the eyes. So I already have them pre-taped too, so it's easier to just get it on our gator. So the eyes go at the top because, you know, eyes don't go near your mouth. It's weird, they go at the top. Okay, the shapes or the scale, it can go wherever you want. Be as creative as you want. It doesn't matter. It is your gator. If you want the scales to look like a blushing gator, then that's your choice. I'm just placing them wherever. There you go. And then the nostrils, there was no other cuter word for nostrils. I'm sorry. So nostrils it is. That's gonna go on the snout of your gator friend. And then we're all set to start putting on the scary teeth, like Big Alan's scary teeth. Okay, so when you're taping your teeth, make sure that the part that says tooth is face down. And you're gonna put one here, like so. And you're gonna have a total of 8 scary teeth. Those are just gonna get taped on. Sorry if I'm lifting it, but you get the point. You're just gluing it to the back side of your gator. Because every gator needs some teeth to chomp. And like that. Oh, see, I actually messed up. I should have put this one on first. But it's fine. And then the last tooth. And then you have a big scary gator. Ooh. Okay, so that was the craft. Just, you know, if you wanted to have less teeth or you want to add more teeth, if you want the eyes to look angry, it's your gator. Make it however you want. It's up to you. But yeah, my gator is all done, and I hope everyone had fun making this craft. If you would like to show us how your gator turned out, feel free to do so. We would love to see how it looks. You can send a picture at covinalibrary@gmail.com, or you can post it on Facebook and Instagram and use hashtag Covina Public Library. That works too. I hope to see how some of them turned out. Maybe we'll see some pink and blue gators, a rainbow gator. Miss Monica loves rainbows, you all know this. But yeah, so we'll see you guys next week for another story time and a craft. Okay, bye!